Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, as always, are having the most wonderful day. Today, guys, I wanted to just show you some really unique, funny little fidgets that I purchased. I don't know if you guys like fidgets. I personally do. And I know that they're just fun. So I just wanted to show you guys some that I bought. So I have 6 little unique funny fidgets here and I want to show you them. So I'm going to show you the first one that I have, which is this mini micro unicorn Orby. So let me show you just how pretty this little unicorn is. How adorable. Super stretchy. I mean, super stretchy. Look where the Orbeez have gone and how cute this is. And I love that it is small enough to fit in your hand. A lot of fun. And just super adorable. So it's our first little fidget. I'm going to show you the small ones first and then we'll move on to the bigger ones at the back. This one is the same little fidget, but just in orange. Super cute. Look at this little unicorn. How adorable are you? And again, super squishy. I love the fact that it's handheld. You don't have to, it's not on show, but it is adorable. Super duper cute little unicorns. This one is quite funny. This one I bought in a vending machine and it's a pretzel, but it's a scented pretzel. So I haven't opened it yet. So I don't know how you guys open your capsules, but I always find these things hard. So I just put them in the crease of my hand and use the pressure to pop them right off. But this is adorable. Look at this smiling little pretzel with some beautiful frosting on top. But this smells like sweet baked cookies. It is very, very stretchy. It is a silent fidget, which is what I like. If you need something, silent, you can just play away. And if you want something sweet, you can just smell it. It is super adorable. I really, really like this fidget. And I love that it smells amazing. Amazing. So that's our 3 little small ones, which I thought were cute. But the main event of this video are these little... This one does not want to be shown. Are these little food fidgets? They're made by Toy Mania. They're for 3 years and up. They're Fidget Go. This is a Fidget Go burger, a Fidget Go pizza, and a Fidget Go avocado. So we're going to start with the burger. So this is the back. Guys, if you're watching this video and you are going to need to open these, please get an adult to help. I'm just going to use this to open the back to help me get it out. So this says that it easily fits in your pocket, which is good. It's a spinnable burger top and a soft silicone rubber buttons. And it's designed to help people relieve stress and anxiety. It says that it has 10 sesame buttons. So let's see what this is all about. Did I open this so that it will come out? I don't know. I thought I did. Oh, here we go. No, I did not. I didn't get it all. So there we go. Now this should come out pretty easily. So this is our burger. Ooh, these are actually super soft. Does this do any? Oh, please. So we have this cute burger. You see the burger bun. We have cheese, we have the patty, we have some lettuce, and then we have a tomato. Or tomato, depending upon where you live. I say tomato. So this fidget twists, makes a nice sound, and the top are super soft. So you've got buttons that you can press, and they physically do press. I don't know if you can see this, but let me show you. So you've got your buttons at the top that you can press. And you can turn the top or bottom. turn the top of the burger bun. This is actually unique because it has two functions, the click and also the soft silicone topper, which is adorable. And look at this smile. Look at these teeth. It's the teeth for me. The teeth are adorable. So this is our first fidget toy, which I think is pretty cool. Which one next? Pizza, avocado, pizza, avocado. I think I'm going to go pizza. Let's see. Just pop this down here and pop this up here. And again, I think I might have to do the bottom. No, there's nothing at the bottom of this one, so that's all good. So guys, this pizza says that it easily fits within your pocket, that it has a slide the fly. Oh my gosh, this is a bit of a gross one. Slide the fly, push the sausage buttons, and again, designed to help people with anxiety and stress relief. Okay, what I like about this one versus the burger is chunky, and this one is flat. It is much easier to carry in your pocket. The fly is kind of grossing me out a little bit. I hate flies on my food, but let's slide the fly. Pretty neat. Okay. Okay, that's quite satisfying. And the sausage. Okay, these are funner. I like these, pushing these buttons way better than I liked moving the fly up and down my food. But still interesting, still very nice. Look at the little happy smile. The sausage buttons are actually way better, I think, than the moving of the fly. Still fun though, pretty neat. These are very unusual. I've never seen food fidgets before. Have you guys? If you have, let me know in the comment section. Let me know where you got them. I'd be interested in maybe getting some of my own, but they're pretty neat. This was actually my secret favorite. I guess that's why I left it to last. So I'm just going to slide this down here and open it up. Does it need opened at the bottom? No. Okay, so let's slide this out and see what it says. So again, it easily fits within your pocket. It is designed to help people relieve stress and anxiety, which is always a good thing. It says, twist the face and spin the inner. Twist the face and spin the inner. Okay, so let's get out our avocado. So this is what our avocado looks at the back. Ooh, and this is our avocado half. You can see that somebody got hungry and took a chunk, but I'm assuming, is this what? Look how cute. So you can spin this bit, or you can spin this bit. So you can spin the face to make it a full avocado, but with a little chunk, or you can spin the, let's do it this way, spin the outside. Is my avocado upside down? Because, yeah, that's much better. Nothing else is part of this, but I do like the spinning function. I find that this is nice. Not so hot on the noise. I think the noise is a little distracting, and definitely a little bit off-putting, I guess. But still a good fidget. I went really silent there. I was trying to hear the actual fidget. Not a bad fidget either. But I'm going to tell you what my favorite is. It's this little pizza slice. This little pizza slice is actually quite fun, other than the gross fly. But even still with the gross fly, still a lot of fun. Totally cute and adorable. I really, really liked it. Let me know in the comment section which item was your favorite. Let me know if you've tried these Fidget Go fidget toys before. because I'm always interested in your thoughts, comments, and feedback. Guys, if you did like this video, please smash that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of any future videos. Guys, comments in the comment section. I'll come back to you just as soon as I can. And I hope you have the most amazing day. Please stay safe, please take care, and I will catch you next time. Bye.